SB200 also. That goes goes into the King switch on the back of the SB200s, I think.
Yes, it does.
And it goes from the Keen port on the radio to the amp through the 704.
Roger.
Alright, I'm going to turn it off first before I plug it in.
And if I remember correctly, that's all RCA cable, I think.
Read your messenger, Tommy.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, go with KC8GB. I'll be back after a while.
Evening, Dino.
Good evening. I'm just running. I'm waiting on a ride to go out and pick up my vehicle. It got the transmission done, but hell, I ain't even tuned up here. I just heard you all telling him that.
Well, it's got a different linear. It's got like a Yaesu linear. It's not, and it tells you to plug in the REM ALC to it, but we're not talking. The manual showing a sophisticated linear, where mine's an old one with the tier, like you were talking about.
Right. You have to order a special cable for the for that radio. It goes from a round 8-pin DIN to an RCA. Don't use the ALC.
To an RCA cable. And I never, when I used my older Yaesu, I never used the ALC.
Tommy, slow down on your key. You're doubling on people.
It's an 8-pin DIN to RCA. It's a special keying cable. Order one of those and use the ARB 704. If you don't, you will destroy the radio.
Alright, so it's the 8-pin. Oh, there's a tuner linear port, so that's where that goes, huh?
Yep, it plugs into that, and then on the other end, it'll just have an RCA. And plug that into where it says radio on the back of your 704, and then plug another RCA cable where it says amp, and then go over and plug that into relay. Don't use the ALC
or the key.
Yeah, you use the key. That's what it goes to. It goes into the back of the ARB 704 over to the key.
Well, it's got a key function on the radio, but I guess that's for a tier.
Yeah, it goes to relay. I'm in Lawrenceburg, Kentucky. If you have any issues, you can holler at me.
Hey, Tommy. Tommy, you still on here, KG90?
I must have made him mad.
How you feeling, Dino? I'm over here pouting because Jeff hollered at me.
I'm sorry, Tommy.
Okay, I know I'm a little trigger happy sometimes.
You deserve it every now and then. Keep you in line. I ain't running at 35 watts.
I got you about a 5 over, but hell, we ain't that far apart. But how are you feeling?
I'm a lot better. I think I got a sinus infection. I'm going to the doctor. That's what I'm waiting on somebody to stop by. I'm watching out the door here for them, and then I'm heading out. It's the reason I don't have the amp on.